dust on desert wind. Now me lungs forget the sky. Planet yield melts the Arctic edge. Rare earth sleep where glaciers die. Queen bushes clears the forest floor. Lithium hums in ancient veins. Gapsa spills through Tunis wells and drips in desert rain. Las Bambas secos conflicts breath. Peru's highlands where the scar. Porgera drills through tribal stone. Gold glints where justice fell too far. Tarqua flows with mercury grief. Gobi sands conceal the thirst. Mount Well glows in spectral hush. Changa seeps through copper burster. Ambatovi drills Madagascar's lungs. Carl Gold hums in fractured tone. Kilembirus in Ugandan rain. Tia Maria waits beneath the bone. Trecopia drains the desert's breath. Mulgarock glows with uranium haze. Tenkepunguru trades cobalt for silence. Mamba burns through Zambia's gaze. North Antelope scars Wyoming's crust. Kuniela shakes the Queensland dust. Kuzba's mind frees Siberian breath. Ranger glows in sacred trust. Arcadia drills Zimbabwe's clay. Kamativi hums with lithium thirst. Wafi Golfu eyes the ocean floor. El Indio leeches gold from curse. No breeze, I know pause below. Every minor wound that grows. No anthem carved, no claim remains. Just speed and dust and fraction foes. No treaty sign, no pause below. Every minor wound that grows. No anthem carved, no claim remains. Just speed and dust and fractured names. Rhythm, hollow tone. Groove cuts deeper than the stone. No echo, no refrain, just motion.